This is my 2018 Giant Stance 2. Ergon grips with a OneUp dropper lever attached to a OneUp carbon bar with 35 millimeters of rise cut to 760 with 35 millimeter OneUp stem. I swapped out the Shimano Alvivo DOR 9-speed combo for a microshift advent shifter and cassette. I went from 12 to 36 to 11 to 46 tooth, and it made a huge difference. This bike was originally a 2x, but the person I bought it from upgraded to a 1x. It has a Black Ops crank, which I was told maybe a BMX crank, with OneUp pedals. The rear shock is a SR Suntour Epixon R, and the fork is a SR Suntour Axon RL-R, which neither are that great. Originally this came with a remote lockout, and I removed it before realizing that it was part of the fork itself and not something I could just pop off. Brakes are 2-piston Shimano M315s with a 180 rotor out front and a 160 in the rear. I'm running Schwalbe Magic Marys front and rear, 2.4 in the front and 2.25 in the back. I'm normally a Maxxis guy, but they really don't make an aggressive tread for this skinny of a rear tire. Now let's go for a ride.